okay because he didn't eat. So he pooped this morning. Sometimes he just poops all the time.
You okay? Good morning. So right now it's like 2 something in the morning, like almost 3 a.m. in the morning, and I'm up, but I've been like not getting enough sleep because I'll be waking up around like 3-4 a.m. in the morning. So since I'm up and I can't sleep, I'm just going around the house cleaning up today. Going to go ahead and wash my face. These are the products that I use for my everyday face care, morning or night. So this one, okay, this one.
Because he didn't eat. Okay. So he pooped this morning. Sometimes he just poops all the time anyways. So lunch, and then once he come home, and then in the evening by 8, that's it. And he's good for the day.
It's me.
He has to use the bathroom.
Let's go wake up Janelle. Let's go. Come here, Lucky. Baby, look, it's Lucky. Good morning. It's Lucky. You okay? Bye. Bye, Lucky. Good morning for your eyes. So Sam is leaving and I'm gonna go pick up Janelle. Then we're gonna go to the main room and come back home, probably make dinner, I don't know, or maybe just order something. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. So I decided to go get my packages first, and I'm going to go get Janelle, and we're gonna go to Domino's to go get some pizza. Close on.
Look.
What is that?
It's mine.
You colored?
Yeah, I covered it, my friends. What's your shoe dirty?
Are your shoes dirty?
Yeah, wow. Saturday morning. It's like 5 a.m. right now. I need to clean up the house. The house is messy from last night. I just basically let Janelle do whatever she wanted to do, and I just, I didn't care. So, but I'm up early, and here is what I've concluded about adulting and adulthood is that, you know what, if I wanted to be a functioning member of society, a person who always show up for their friends, are going social and have their stuff together. I just basically have to lose sleep. So right now I am going to go clean up the house, and then I also bought some clothes from NAKD, and after I'm done cleaning up, I'm gonna come and try those on. And I also have my Korean learning class at 6 a.m. or 6:30, so either one of those.
This is my first time ordering from NAKD, and I'm gonna keep ordering. They're pricey, but they're good. I love it.
So I literally just started with him. It was also a trial. It was just like a quick 30-minute session. So he just went over it, and I'm supposed to practice it on my own, but I haven't really practiced it on my own yet. The R or the L sounds. So it can be the la or ra. Class is over, and that was a really good class. But she actually made sure that I know the sound, I know how to pronounce them, and I'm gonna commit them to memory. She also had pictures to reference it from, because I'm really good at learning if I see like a video or something like that to go off of. Okay.
Right now we're in the mall shopping, and I'm looking for some rings. Maybe wait, you gotta go slow so I can pick out something. So I'm gonna get this one in gold.
I want this one.
No.
Ignore the outfit in the bag. I need to clean that up. So I'm back home now. I'm honestly so freakishly tired. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys some jewelry that I pick up, because I've been wanting to get some more jewelries for my little collection. Okay, so I got this little ring set because I've been looking for rings for a long time. This is so pretty. So I got the set in gold. I think it's really, really cute. I wanted gold and silver, but it didn't have it in silver. And I also got some earrings. Yeah, this cute little set here. New necklace. I got it because I thought it was cute. It reminded me of kind of like a moon shape. So